Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Raudatu Zara. I'm from class R001 with student number C1A023129. In this video, I will explain one of the monetary economic issues, namely the currency exchange rate. There is explanation. In general, the exchange rate is the price of all currencies of a country, measured or expressed in other currencies. A country's exchange rate is commonly defined as the ratio of a country commodity export price to its import commodity price. So, a country exchange rate is always the opposite of the exchange rate of other countries that are trading partner. In Indonesia, the rupiah exchange rate against the US dollar often experiences high volatility, which can impact the price of important goods, people purchasing power, and overall economic stability. The purchasing power parity theory states that the exchange rate between two currencies will be at a level where the purchasing power of both currencies is the same. If there is a difference in inflation rate between two countries, the exchange rate will adjust so that the price of goods and services in both countries remain balanced. For example, if inflation in Indonesia is higher than in the US, the rupiah exchange rate against the dollar will then weaken so that the price of goods in Indonesia remain competitive. Well, there are several influences of currency exchange rate on economic growth in Indonesia. First, inflation. A weak exchange rate tends to increase inflation as import costs become higher. In this condition, Bank Indonesia may raise interest rate to suppress inflation, which can affect economic growth. Second, increased price of important goods. The weakening of the rupiah will cause imported goods to become more expensive in Indonesia. This can increase inflation and reduce people's purchasing power, especially for goods that cannot be produced domestically. 3. Increased external debt burden. Indonesian companies and governments that have debt in foreign currencies will experience an increase in debt burden when the rupiah weakens. This can worsen financial condition and increase the risk of default. 4. Increased export competitiveness. When the rupiah exchange rate weakens depreciation, the price of Indonesian export goods become cheaper in the eye of the international market. This can increase the competitiveness of Indonesian product in the global market and encourage export growth. Encourage import subsidy. The weakening of the rupiah can encourage domestic producers to increase the production of import substitute goods. This can reduce Indonesian dependence on imported products and increase the added value of domestic production. In addition, there are several factors affecting currency exchange rate on economic growth in Indonesia. First, interest rate. Lower interest rate compared to other countries can cause capital outflow, putting pressure on the rupiah. Second, global economic condition. Global economic development, such as economic growth in trading partner countries, monetary policies of central banks in developed countries, and turmoil in global financial market can affect the rupiah exchange rate. 3. Balance of payment. A balance of payment deficit, import are greater than export, can put pressure on the rupiah exchange rate. The latter, political stability. Domestic political stability is very important to maintain investor confidence in the rupiah. Political uncertainty can cause capital flight and weaken the exchange rate. That's my explanation. The conclusion of material is currency exchange rate have a significant impact on various economic aspects in Indonesia. Using purchasing power parity theory, we can understand that the ideal exchange rate must reflect a balanced purchasing power between Indonesia and other countries. Appropriate economic policies such as keeping inflation interest rate at a responsible level, as well as managing the trade balance, are very important to maintain the stability of the rupiah exchange rate.